Welcome to another web design video. In this occasion, I'll show you how to access the page builder, which is called Yootheme, and I'll show you how it is structured. So let's start by checking one of the three ways of accessing it. Is clicking on the Yootheme button right here. We are now in a different area of WordPress called the customizer, and now we just need to access the builder. By default, it will take us to the home page, which is where we are right now, but if we want to go to any other pages, just navigate to the other page as you would do in a normal website. Now let's get out of there and I'll show you the other two ways of accessing the page builder. We are back to the dashboard of WordPress, and now I can go to pages. And in the page that I want to edit, I'm just gonna hover my mouse and then click on Yootheme Builder. It will take you to exactly the same area. And I'm exiting again just to show you the final way to access this area. And that's by clicking on the page itself. It will show you the general editing area for that page, and then you can click on the Yootheme Builder button that shows here. Now that we are back in the builder, I'm gonna explain how the structure works. So the first element or the main container is a section. Here, for example, we have three sections. This first section has a white background, the second section has a darker background, and the third section has a white background again. So that's how normally we structure the websites. So you will find that your page in particular will have different sections as well, but inside the sections we have rows. So this top section has 2 rows and each row has 3 columns. So as you can see, the main container is the section, then the row, and then the columns. That's how everything is structured. And then inside each column we will see the different elements. For example, in this last section we only have a section with 1 row, 1 column. It's as simple as it gets, and that's very common in the websites that we build. You will probably find many of these kind of setups in your website. Every section, row, and column have their own settings. So the section settings are here next to the section area in the pencil, and the row settings are right here, and inside the rows you can edit the columns as well, but you probably won't need to worry about the different settings of these things. Important thing to know is that that's how it is structured. Sections, inside sections we have rows, and then inside rows we have columns.